Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a townhouse for sale at lot number 561, part of Moorlands in the parish of Manchester. The land area of the subject property is approximately 6,137.36 square feet. The land is rectangular in shape and is fairly level. It is partially enclosed with concrete block walls. The land features ornamental plants and fruit trees and is improved with concrete paved walkway area. The land is located in an area which is not affected by flood or land slippage. The townhouse comes with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, spacious dining area, kitchen, living room with ceiling fan, the master bedroom with jacuzzi, rear patios, plus parking for your vehicle. Moorlands Estate is a gated community offering 24-hour security, play area for kids, gym, jogging trail, and clubhouse. Don't miss this opportunity to make this townhouse yours. Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is Jamaican, 55 million or US, $337.5 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.